Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can create one post request in Postman. So for this you have to click on this plus button and this will open. So here you have the request and the response pane. So from here we can choose the method. So we have so many different methods. So for now we're going to choose this post method. So the post API request is a way to send data to a server to create or update something. So it's like submitting a form online where you send your information to the server. So here we have to paste the URL. So here inside the RESTful API.dev we have one post request API, and this is one sample data that we have to send to this API endpoint, and in response we're gonna get the response code 200 with this data where we have the ID and also the creation date. So let's copy this API and then we're gonna paste this here, and here we have so many different options. Here we can select our parameters, so we can add key and value, and the key and value will be added at the end of our API. So for now we don't need this, so we're gonna delete this. And next we have this authorization. So here we can set the authorization. So because this is one simple API, we do not need any authorization. And in the header we have so many key value pairs. And now inside the body, because we are using the post request, so we must send this data to the server. So we're gonna place our data inside the body. So we have to click on raw, and here we're just gonna copy paste this data. So here is our data inside the body. Now from here we can choose the type of the data. So for now this is JSON. And next we have the pre-request script. So here we can place some script which will be executed before the API request. And also we have test. So here we can put our test snippet. This will be executed after the response. Like an example, we can put this snippet. So this will check if the status code is 200 or not. So now to send the request, you have to click on this send button. And here you can see we have the response. This is our response pane. And inside the body we have the response where we have the ID and the name of the product and the creation date and then the data about the product. And also we can see this in raw format also. And also we have these cookies, headers and the test result. So we have performed one test right here and the result is shown right here. So that is passed the test because the status code is 200. And also here it shows the time taken for the request response and also the size of the response. And also we can save our post request. So we have to click on this save, and here we can select the collection that we wanted to save into, and we're gonna name it post API and then click on save. So you can see our post request is saved under this collection. And also we can go to history, and here we can see all the requests performed so far. So this is the way we can create one post request to an API, and we can send the data by placing that under the body. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.